Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect IBM Cloud with Docker, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect IBM Cloud with Docker, start by signing into your IBM Cloud account. If you don't have an IBM Cloud account, create one at cloud.ibm.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to the IBM Cloud dashboard. Look for the Container Registry option in the menu. Select Container Registry to create a new registry. Click on Create Registry and provide a name for your registry. After creating the registry, you'll see it listed on your dashboard. Next, install Docker on your local machine if you haven't already. You can download Docker from the official Docker website. Follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Once Docker is installed, open a terminal or command prompt. Log into Docker using the command docker login. You will need your Docker Hub credentials for the login. Next, log into the IBM Cloud Docker registry. Use the command imcloudlogin to log into your IBM Cloud account. You may need to set your target resource group with the command imcloudtargetg your _resource _group. Then, log into your IBM Cloud Container Registry with imcloudcrlogin. This command will authenticate you with the IBM Cloud Container Registry. Now create your Docker image that you want to upload to IBM Cloud. You can create your Docker file in the directory of your project. Build your Docker image using the command docker build t your _image _name. Once the image is built, tag it to match your IBM Cloud registry format. Use the format docker tag your _image _name us.icr.io / your _namespace / your _image _name single quote. Replace your _namespace with your specific namespace in IBM Cloud. Now push your Docker image to the IBM Cloud registry using docker push us.icr.io / your _namespace / your _image _name single quote. This command uploads your image to the container registry. After the push is complete, you can verify your image in the IBM Cloud dashboard. Navigate back to Container Registry to ensure your image has been uploaded. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.